Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete recurring expense on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise and let's click on this group right here. As you can see, this one is Wi-Fi. Let's click on it and it is monthly. As you can see, it repeats every single month and the next expense will be on August 25th. Now to delete this, it's very easy. I want you to come here at the top right and click on this trash can icon you see right here. Just click on that and then it will ask you if you're sure that you want to delete this expense, because it will delete and remove this expense for all the people involved, not just us, because it's a group expense. If you're okay with that, just click on OK. And there you go. As you can see, that expense is gone from the group and now I'm only owed 2,500 dirhams. But that is how you delete recurring expenses on Splitwise.